Hello students, last day you saw that actually the narrator with Aditya gone to that tea shop where they used to go in their childhood, the Nagain's tea cabin, and there he found that tea man again. He has become a bit rusty in this age, but he was still nothing much had changed with the person. He was wearing dhoti and a blue striped shirt. No, blue striped shirt means to say that a shirt which had lining of blue color that could be seen from under his green shawl. Also he was actually covering bearing green shawl also over his shirt, over his blue striped shirt, which couldn't be easily seen through his green shawl. Not recognizing Aditya, he asked us where he had come from, and as Aditya had changed a lot, because you can recognize a person after 10 years or 20 years of someone who is already 40 years or 50 years. You can recognize them after 20 years, after 10 years, 15 years or 20 years, but it's very difficult to recognize someone from childhood to young, someone who was a child few years ago or many years ago, and now he has grown up. So Aditya actually lived in that village only while the time he was in class 10, and now he has a grown up man. So that tea man actually would have seen him when he was way younger than present. He would have been only 15-16 years old, and right now he is about 30 years old. So it was very difficult for that man to recognize him. So he actually did not recognize Aditya, and that is exactly why he asked both of them, the narrator and Aditya, that from where they had come. And what the Aditya replied that they have come from Deodarganj, and they also told him that we are going to Kolkata, we are on our way to Kolkata, we have just come here to visit this native village of his own. Nagain Babu was surprised and asked what brought us there. So now hearing this, Nagain Babu was a bit surprised, because he thought that when you were going Kolkata, then why you have just diverted from the road and come here in this village? It's a very obvious surprise for him. Then the Aditya replied, to have tea at your shop, because he used to have tea in his shop when he was a child.